Today is the second day we are in summer camp in Flamingo with Havina, and today we also have joined a really interesting painting lesson with Miss Mylan, and I think this lesson have bring me a lot of uh, interesting time with my friends and my teachers. I think the most interesting part of this lesson is when we start to learn how to paint this picture. Everyone have the own idea, and they try to give the knowledge. Before this painting lesson today, I have learned some kind of draw or painted at my school, and today I also have learned many things, many techniques, many new kinds of technique in painting with everyone and with some help of my teacher. From my perspective, I think today all the step is too difficult for me because I'm not good at painting at all. But I think with the effort and I want to try my best with this picture because I think it's really beautiful picture. It also a dedicated help of my teacher, Miss Mylan. She had helped me a lot to draw this painting, and when I'm done this picture, I feel really proud of myself because look at this, it's really beautiful.